Okay dude, so this video is going to be on magic squares. Yes, so the main concept about magic squares is that whether you add it from top to bottom like this, yes, or you add it from side to side like this, or you add it from corner to corner like this, yes, you will get the same result of addition. Okay, so let's see. Yes, so if you look at this one, the magic square over here is solved if you add it from side to side like this one. If you add it up, yes, what will you get? What is 4 plus 9 plus 2? 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15. Yes, now if you add it from top to bottom, okay, like any three boxes you choose which go from top to bottom, yes, like this one, 4 plus 3 plus 8. What is 4 plus 3 plus 8? 4 plus 3 plus 8 is also 15. Yes, now if you decide to go from corner to corner, means from 8, from 2 to 8, okay, if you decide to go like this from corner to corner from 2 to 8, yes, so what is it? It is 2 plus 5 plus 8. What is 2 plus 5 plus 8? 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 15. Yes, so you can see that in all the cases the answer is 15. Yes, the answer is 15. So this is the speciality of a magic square, that whether you add it from side to side, or you add it from top to bottom, or you add it from corner to corner, you will get the same sum, which is 15. Okay, like if you choose this corner, if you choose this corner to corner, then also you will get 15. If you choose any other three set of boxes, then also you will get 15. Okay, so now so you won't get completely solved magic squares like this, you will get incomplete magic squares. Okay, so let me draw an incomplete magic square for you. So this thing over here is an incomplete magic square. Okay, and you have been asked to fill up the rest of the boxes. Okay, so first you need to calculate the total. Okay, so the total which you need for each and every, like each and every set of boxes, you need to calculate that total first. So we will, since most of the boxes are empty, we will go from corner to corner. Okay, since most of the boxes are empty, we will go from corner to corner. So 8 plus 5 plus 2. What is 8 plus 5 plus 2? It is 15. Yes, so the sum which I need in each and every one of these is 15. Okay, so let's do it then. 9, 2, 5, 8. Yes, now you need 15 for each and every, like from side to side also if you go you need 15, from top to bottom also if you go you need 15, and from corner to corner also if you go you need 15. Okay, so let's go like this. So let's choose from top to bottom. Acha, let's get to the sum only. Over here it is very difficult to solve like this. Yes, so this is the sum. Yes, this is the sum. I'll fill it up over here only. Yes, I know that from corner to corner, that is 8 plus 5 plus 2 is 15. Now I will go, so I need 15 everywhere. So now I will choose these three boxes first. Yes, over there you have 9 plus 2. Yes, 9 plus 2. But this box over here is empty. This box is empty. What do you need to fill up in this box so that you get the total as 15? This is what you're deciding. Okay, what do you need to fill up in this one to get 15? 9 plus 2 is 11. Yes, how much more do you need to make it 15? You need 4 more to make it 15. Yes or no? So what will you write over there? You will write 4 over here. Yes, I hope you have understood. Now we will choose these three boxes. Yes, what is it? It is, you have 9 plus 5 and then an empty box. Okay, 9 plus 5 is what? 9 plus 5 is 14. So how much do you need to put in that empty box to make that 15? You need to put plus 1, yes or no, because 14 plus 1 is 15. So I will write 1 over here. Understood? Yes. Now, so I have got 4 over here, I have got 1 over here. Now let's choose these three boxes. Okay, you have a 8 over here, you have a 4 over here. Yes, and the third box is empty. 8 plus 4 is 12. How much more do you need to make that 15? Yes, 12 plus 3 is 15. So how much will you write it? How much will you write over there? You will write 3 over there. Okay, so now let's choose. So I have got a 4, 3, 1. Now which one do we do next? Let's do these three. Yes, you have got a 3, you have got a 5. Yes, how much more do you need to make 3 plus 5 is 8? Yes, how much more do you need to make it 15? Yes, 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes, so I will write 7 over here. Understood? Now let's look at the bottom one. Okay, so now we are left to fill just one box, which is this one. Okay, so you already have a 8 over here, you already have a 1 over there. Yes, how much more do you need to make it 15? So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus how much is 15? Yes, 9 plus 6 is 15. Yes or no? 9 plus 6 is 15. So you will write 15. Sorry, 9. So you will write 6 over there. Sorry. So you will write 6 over here. Yes, and whatever the answers were, 4, 3, 1, 7. Yes, so you will write 6 over there. Understood? Because 8 plus 1 plus 6 gives you 15, and you need 15 everywhere. Understood? So this second magic square, I won't explain you, because I want you to do it on your own. Otherwise you will copy this whole thing and then I won't get to realize that whether you have understood the concept or not. Okay, so now let's move on to the next magic square, which is a 4 into 4 magic square. Like this one was a 3 into 3. You had three boxes horizontally, 3 boxes vertically, 3 boxes from corner to corner. This was a 3 into 3 box. Yes, now what you see on the screen over here is a 4 into 4 box. Yes, it has got 4 sides everywhere, means 4 small boxes everywhere. Understood? So let's look at it again. So this corner to corner is completely filled up. So first we will add this and try to calculate the sum. So first we will try to add this, and then we will. So what is 2 plus 12 plus 7 plus 17? So 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21, 31, 38. Yes, so 2 plus 12 plus 7 plus 17 is 38. So everywhere you need the sum as 38. Yes, each and every line should add up and give you 38. Okay, so let's look at this set of boxes first. Yes, so it has 2 plus 15 plus 16, and then the last box is empty. Yes, so first let us find out what is 2 plus 15 plus 16. 2 plus 15 plus 16 is what? 31, and then 33. It is 33. Yes, so you need the sum as 38. Okay, so how much do you need to add to 33 to make it 38? You need to add 5 to it. Understood? You need to add 5 to it to make it 38. Yes, and then which is the next set of boxes which we will look at? We will look at this set of boxes where 3 pieces of information are given. You have 5, 10 and 17. Okay, so I have got 5 over here. Yes, and now I have 5 plus in this set of boxes. I have 5 plus 10 plus 17, which is 27, and then 32. Yes, so 32, how much do you need to add to 32 to make it 38? You need to add 6. Yes, 32 plus 6 is 38. So what will I write in this empty box? I will write 6 over here. Understood? Yes. So now we will move on to the next set. This one is 5, this one is 6. Which one can we solve next? We can solve this one next because we already have 3 boxes. 9 plus 12 plus 6, and then the last box is empty. What is 9 plus 12 plus 6? 9 plus 12 plus 6 is 27. How much do you need to add to 27 to make it 38? So for that you will, so 27 plus what, 11? Yes, 27 plus 11 is 38. Yes or no? So what will you write? You will write 11 over here. Why? Because 20 from 27, if you want to go to 38, you need to add 11 to it. Okay, so this third box is 11. Yes, so I write down 5, 6, 11 over here. And then which is the next one which I can solve? I can solve this one. Yes or no? Because I have 3 pieces of information: 2, 9, 14. Yes, what is 2 plus 9 plus 14? 11, 25. Yes, so 25 is the sum of these. Yes, so what do you need to add to 25 to make it 38? You need to add 13 to it. Yes, so if you want to go from 25 to 38, you need to count 13 times. Yes or no? So what will you write over here? You will write 13 over here. Now which box can you solve? Okay dude, so which is the next set of boxes which we can solve? We can solve this one. Yes, what is 13 plus 7 plus 10? 13 plus 7 plus 10, it is what, 31. So 13 plus 7 is 20, 30, 31. Yes or no? Yes. What do you need to add to 30? So you need 38 everywhere. What do you need to add to 31 to make it 38? You need to add a 7 to it. Yes or no? 31 plus 7 is 38. Yes. So I write 7 over here. Understood? 7 plus 7 is 14, 14, 24, 34. Wait, I think there's a mistake over here. 49 plus. Okay, sorry, it was not 11, it was 10. Okay, so this one will be 10. So the answer is 30. 30 plus how much is 38? 30 plus 8 is 38. Yes or no? So I will write 8 over here. Yes, I will write 8 over here. Now, so okay, so now which one? Now which one can I solve? Which box can I solve? I can solve this box. Yes or no? Yes, which has got 15, 12 and 8, and then the fourth box is missing. Yes, so it is 35. How much do I need to add to 35 to make it 38? I need to add 3 to it. Yes or no? So then only it will become 38. So I will write 3 over here. Yes, and now finally this box. Yes, what is there? Wait, Okay, so now the last box to finish is this one. Yes, what do you have in this one? You have 16, you have 11, you have 7. What is 16 plus 11 plus 7? 16 plus 11 is 20, 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Okay, so after adding these three you get 34. What do you need to add to 34 to make it 38? You need to add 4 to 34 to make it 38. Yes, so you write 4 over here. Yes, and that's it, the sum is done. So this is how you're solving the magic squares. Yes, so these two of them I have solved it for you, but still you're going to do it on your own. And this last, and these two you're doing it completely on your own. Yes.